video was a requested video from you guys, which was the overall cost of the LS Swap E36 build. This video is another request from you guys. So you guys were asking for POV driving video. Here it is. I've got all the cameras set up. I got a microphone at the back of the car so you only hear exhaust, not a bunch of nasty wind noise. 2 GoPro mounts inside, 1 outside. And for any new viewers, just give you a quick look under the hood. Nothing crazy, just an NA LS1. Has some mods to it, should be making good power. Let's go for a drive. Just a quick announcement, I now have a merch website. So the shirt I'm wearing now is available on the site. It's 24 bucks. Also have snapback hats. Really happy with how this came out. It's embroidered. Looks really nice. These shirts are available along with sweatshirts. I got a couple other designs on there. This actually, I removed the boosted apex. It's just the emblem on the site. It's super comfortable, has the American flag over here because we're patriotic here. This is America. American engine in the BMW. Speaking of the merch, stick around till a little later in the video. I have a special announcement on that. Link in the description, it's boostedapexdesigns.com. Alright, we're gonna try to get some more footage before it gets dark. It's 4:30 p.m. Definitely going to be fighting traffic. I will say the more I drive this, the better this transmission shifts. They say it takes a while for the transmission and the shifter to get broken in. It's definitely feeling better now. I'll get you some POV footage of sitting here not moving at all. You're welcome. By the sun and there's no way for me to block it. Rush hour traffic again with boosted apex. A solid video. might not know, but this says TRM coilovers on it. Pretty high spring rate. They're made for track driving. So she grips, but it's not that smooth. That's alright. But other than being a little rough riding and a little loud, I mean, this thing is easy to drive. It's easy to daily. I have working heat because it is cold today. I had to throw on the sweatshirt. I still have power windows, power door locks, a radio, all my electronic functions. It's really just missing a headliner and AC. I do need to upgrade the radio in this though, so I'm not sure what to do. I want to replace all the speakers in here. I'm not sure what to do. I might end up doing a double din up here or down here. Not sure on that yet. I definitely want Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. All right, race mode engaged. I love LS motors. It just runs so good. I didn't even have to rev it out, and it makes good power and good sounds. Get a GoPro Hero 9, so I got hyper smooth on. I got all that good stuff. Should be some nice smooth footage for you guys, because the other GoPro I have is a Hero 4, which is obviously 6 generations now, with the 10 coming out, old. So the video quality on that was not great. Still use it on outside stuff, but it wasn't great. All right, let's rip it. Some mountain curvy roads for you guys, but I just don't where I live. It's kind of just boring and flat and straight. LS throttle response is so excellent. When this thing was boosted, it was fun, it was great. It made a ton of power, probably 200 more horsepower than this. But man, the turbo lag was pretty intense. Granted, it did have a big turbo on a GT40, but there's just nothing like hitting full throttle on an LS and just going, regardless of your RPM. And it's so consistent, so linear. I freaking love it. Big bump. Ooh. Wait to get this thing on an actual track. Not Auto X, I want to track it. But I definitely need to get it a little more broken in. Considering I only have 353 miles on the swap, give or take. I don't quite trust it yet enough at an actual track. Like a really long course. I'm also excited for a dry Auto X. I've never tracked anything before. That'll be a new experience. Alright, I switched back to wide because I don't think the linear was quite it. I don't think you could see enough. If you guys weren't aware, I had a built S50 in this car. Different rods, different pistons, stock head, stock S50 cams, ARP head studs. And I had a GT4094R on there. Twin scroll with twin scroll manifold, meth injection, data logging, electronic boost control, multi-tunes. Unfortunately, the head gasket blew. And that's when I stopped driving it. I lost compression between cylinders 5 and 6, I believe. Still have the engine, just haven't torn it down yet. That car made a ton of power. It was like 670 wheel on I'm thinking like 18 pounds of boost, something like that. Obviously you can make a ton more with that big of a turbo. It was a blast to drive, but had a lot of turbo lag, wasn't good at Auto X, you know, it was just a great street car. The car was just too complicated with all those different electronics. I didn't need 670 horsepower. This is an E36. They can't handle a lot of power. They're not built for that. So far, I am super, super happy with my choice. This car is just a blast to drive. I love the linear power curve. I love how it drives. It has enough power, way more than a stock E36. So yeah, I can say, without a doubt, I don't regret my decision at all to swap from a high horsepower, big turbo S50 to a naturally aspirated LS Swap. I'm loving every second of it. Now I'm gonna make a video on what I'm gonna do with that S50 because I still have it. It's in the garage on an engine stand, and I still have the twin disc setup that's good for big power, and I have my E36 M3 transmission. Yeah. Plans for that are coming in an upcoming video. Now for that special announcement, since I just made the website with this merch, I'm going to do a giveaway. So the first 50 people to like, comment with their email address will be put into a drawing. Out of those 50 people, I'm going to do a drawing and select 10 people. You're going to get a free shirt. I'll send the winners an email, and then we'll work out what size you want, what color you want. There's a bunch of different colors on the website. We'll get that shipped out to you. You guys have to let me know, do you like the first person view like this? Or do you like the mount that's up here? Or do you like the outside one? I'm kind of torn. Clears up, I'll try to get a little pull for you guys. If you guys need a jump starter, check out this kit from, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, Aldo. They sent me this. It seems super nice. It comes in this really nice case. This is the actual jump starter itself. Battery percentage on there has a flashlight on it, has USB-C, 2 USB type A's, and it comes with everything. The jump start cables, the charger, an additional cable for charging your phone, etc. So a really nice little kit. I'll link it down in the description. As you can see here, the battery to my lawnmower completely dead. Hooked this boy up and it turned right over and fired right up. Super thankful to these guys for sending this out. Very nice little kit there. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the driving video, boys. I know it's not like carving up mountain roads, but it's what I got with where I live. Check out the brand new website for shirts, hats, sweatshirts, and we'll see you guys in the next video.